The third wave could hit the state as early as in 2 to 4 weeks given the crowding it has seen in the last 3 days, Maharashtra's COVID-19 task force has warned. The ratio of the total number of cases during third wave is expected to be double of that during second wave. The state COVID-19 task force made these observations in a review meeting chaired by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Wednesday to check the preparedness measures. The Delta Plus variant could stoke a third wave in Maharashtra. It could spread at double rate, an official said during the presentation. During the first wave in 2020, the state recorded 19 lakh cases, while during the second wave in 2021, 40 lakh cases were recorded. A Delhi court today ordered immediate release of three activists Natasha Narwal, Devangana Kalita and Asif Iqbal Tanha. The court pronounced orders on the release of the three student activists after they were granted bail by the Delhi High Court in Delhi riots conspiracy case. The court dismissed the Delhi police's application seeking more time to verify the addresses of Devangana Kalita, Natasha Narwal and Asif Iqbal Tanha and their sureties. I would say that this by itself cannot be plausible reason for the accused to be kept imprisoned till the time such reports are filed, Delhi court observed. Days after he made ghar wapsi to his former party TMC by quitting the BJP, Mukul Roy asked the centre to withdraw his VIP security cover, which has been approved by the Union Home Ministry, officials said on Thursday. Officials said that Roy's Z category security has been withdrawn and the Union Home Ministry has directed the Central Reserve Police Force to recall its detachment deployed with him. Mukul Roy, suspended from Mamata Banerjee's TMC for anti-party activities in 2017, had joined the BJP and was appointed the party national vice president ahead of West Bengal elections. However, after sweeping victory of Mamata Banerjee's TMC in recently held assembly polls, he and his son Shubhranshu returned to the TMC last week. Mukul Roy had won in Krishnanagar Uttar constituency as a BJP candidate. The NIA has arrested former Mumbai police encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma in connection with the Mukesh Ambani bomb scare investigation. The arrest came shortly after his home in Mumbai's Andheri was raided by a team from the central agency and armed CRPF personnel who arrived at Sharma's home at 5 am in the morning and conducted searches for around 6 hours. Pradeep Sharma was then taken to the NIA's office for questioning. The raids come after possible links between Pradeep Sharma and an individual named Santosh Shelar, who was arrested this week and has been sent to NIA custody till June 21st. Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut had a riposte to BJP's allegations of hooliganism after yesterday's clash between the workers of the two parties outside the Sena Bhavan in Mumbai's Dadar area. No one needs to give us a certificate on being gundas. We are certified already, the senior Sena leader told reporters today. Then he explained saying that when it comes to Marathi pride and Hindutva, we are certified gundas, pointing out that the party office was a symbol of the state and its people.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.